Morning, I'm Daryl Ponton. Thanks for joining me today. I'm at my brother-in-law George's house, and I'm going to be tearing apart lawnmowers. What we're working with today, we got a R2048 Woods with a 22 horsepower engine. You're going to go underneath. There's 4 bolts to take out. You're going to need a 1/2 inch ratchet or impact wrench if you have one. This electrical plug, you'll need to unplug it too. On the carburetor linkage, you're going to need a standard screwdriver and 1/8 Allen wrench. Now on the starter here, you're going to need a 7/16 wrench. Take that loose. Make sure it's disconnected from the battery first. Pick up the motor and come right out of there. Thanks for joining on how to take a motor out on this short video. See you in the next one.